What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back with another video with Pra. So, just right now, at the current moment, I just got done. What is it called, bro? I'm still trying to learn English. Um, what's the thing when you do in your room with a damn. My brain just be freezing. Uh, Vacuum, yeah. I just got done vacuuming my room, like basically doing a deep clean. It looks amazing right now. I just got to fold that one piece of cloth right there, and it looks amazing. But the main reason of me making this video, because I was not even about to upload this. I got a whole script, like not a script, but a list of videos I'm working on. This month is about to go crazy, bro. I'm about to be the most consistent I've ever been. I have been lacking discipline so bad on my channel, but it's over that. It's over that. 2026 is about to go crazy. And so I came from Nepal to America on November 16, and when I came, I had a bunch of laundry to do, bro. Bunch of laundry. All the clothes I had taken there and stuff. And basically I washed my bed sheet, my bed, my blanket, my pillow, because it had just been laying in my room for a month. I did that, and then I cleaned all my clothes, my laundry, everything I had. But this is where the problem starts. Once I washed everything, I let that sit in my room for I think more than 2 weeks since we're in December, and I did not fold nothing. I will wash my clothes almost like every week, or even less than a week, but I was not folding them. Yesterday, I folded all the clothes I had in my closet, bro. All of them. I think that's it was yesterday. And it was so much, right? I had so much. Y'all know my closet is kind of crazy now. And I had so much clothes laying on the ground. I damn near was thinking like, bro, this is impossible. Like, god damn, how am I supposed to fold all of this clothes? This is a lot of clothes right here. But I said, man, fuck it. Let me just start. Let me just start. I know it's gonna take time, but let me just start. This is what I want to tell you. No matter what is something you want to do, how difficult it looks to you, how complicated it is, the only thing that really matters, my amigos and amigas, is you starting. That's the number one thing that matters. Is no matter how big, bro, life is all about taking that action. And once you take that action, you're gonna learn step by step. You're gonna fail, you're gonna evolve, you're gonna do everything you gotta do, but you're gonna reach to your destination, you're gonna reach to your goals no matter what, if you just take that first step. And I know this was a big problem for me. I'm not doing this shit no more. The day I wash my clothes every week, like on maybe Saturday or Sunday, I'm folding everything on the same day. I'm keeping my bedroom mad clean. I'm talking about no clothes on the ground, no bottles, just just fucking like scrolling everywhere. I don't even know if that's a word, but your environment matters so much. The way you have your room matters so much. One piece of thing that I don't know if it's like manifestation, what do you call it, that I did is the suitcase that I have, right? I put my suitcase right in front of me right here, like my big ass suitcase. Even though I don't got nothing to it, it's like a piece of art to me. Every time I'm looking at it, it gives me that, man, I gotta do more so I can travel. I can be on the road. So everything that is around you is to motivate you as a person, is to inspire you. The way you have your bed, your bedroom, your car. My car is mad dirty. I haven't even washed it. I haven't even cleaned it. My car is the next thing I'm working on. but I did everything I had to do in my bedroom and just deep cleaning everything clearly and not having no mess at all. And I'm proud of myself for that, bro. This wasn't a video I even thought I'm gonna make or nothing, but I just had to let y'all know, no such thing as a small task. This is the kind of task that make you as a person. Like, I've been here, shout out to Simon Davis. He always say this: when you wake up in the morning, make your bed. The first thing first, make your bed. And that thing really got to me. I'm catching on it right now. I'm not saying I'm perfect at it, but that's something like, no matter the moment I wake up, it's just in my head, direct on, like, make your bed, make my bed. And just like that, things like folding your clothes on time, whatever you're thinking, doing that exact thing at that moment, stuff like that is very, very important. And I lost the aspect of it, just being so lazy, man. I've gotten so lazy within myself that I was just completely ignoring it all, just completely ignoring it at all. But now the time is over. Now it's the time for me to come back stronger than harder, and get my motherfucking six pack, be in the gym, build myself up, you know, and achieve everything that I want to achieve. Achieve everything I can do. I believe in myself. I believe in myself, so as you. I believe in all of you watching this video. I believe every single of you watching this video right now. And this is not a joke, not a troll. We got to get back. Anybody watching this video, you feel like you have fallen off from being on your purpose, from being on your goal, from being ambitious, this is the time. Bro, am I missing a book or something? What the hell, twin? Why is a diary there? But either way, I'm a very, what is it called, detailed type of individual. Like, I look at, even being in my room, I'll always look at every single diary about that. That shit had cut off. Now I gotta edit the video. But yeah, I look at every single detail, no matter what it is. I always pay attention and make sure everything that is around me is in a particular order. I have it in a style that I want to, and things like that. So, with all that being said, I ain't gonna be here yapping too much. I'm just gonna let me think if I got anything else to tell you. Not really, man. It's December. First week is damn near probably already over. Almost so close. Time gonna keep on flying by. Time ain't not stopping for no one, not at all. So without actually wasting no time, get the things done you gotta do, bro. And same thing for me when I'm making this kind of videos. It's really me giving myself a piece of my own great advice. So yeah, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching, Pro, and I'ma catch you again in another banger. You have a great day and peace out.